Hey guys, Daniel here from the Truck Insurance Channel. In this video, I'm talking about Cover Whale's driver safety program. Obviously, the word is out about Cover Whale and getting cheaper insurance. Let me tell you, they're beating the pants off the competition most of the time. Like sometimes they're not as competitive, but most of the time, people are saving thousands with Cover Whale. It's also really important. Like we need more competition amongst truck insurance companies, okay? Because there's certainly not enough. Cover Whale will cover hot shots, box trucks, Amazon Relay, semis, intermodal UIIA requirements. They're just starting to do all of this now. So I just want to talk about the driver safety program just to set the right expectations. So obviously sitting in front of me, you see the Orion Secure 360 4G dash cam. That's a mouthful. It's got a 360-degree camera so it can see out into the road, back of the driver, even into the side mirrors, all at the same time. So it's got a pretty powerful processor in there. It's got a USB-C power connection with this OBD2 connector. If you don't have OBD2, you'll get the correct splitter, like 6, 9, or 16 pin. This is going into a Ram 3500, so we're just going regular OBD2. You'll get the package within about 5 to 7 days of starting your policy. For every truck listed on the policy, you'll get a camera, so no worries there. And again, all of this is included and is actually required too. So you've got to get it installed. They say you've got 10 days, but just get it done right away. That way you don't have to worry about it. And make sure it stays plugged in, because if it's unplugged for more than 72 hours, you might get some nasty emails about potentially having your policy canceled. Of course, they're going to work with you if your truck is down for maintenance or something like that. So don't worry. Just be in communication with your agent. Now, people ask about how the data is stored and what is actually recorded and when, all that. So let me talk about that for a second. It's got an SD card. It'll store up to 100 hours locally on the camera. If there's any trigger events, like safety concerns around braking, acceleration, or impact, like if you're in an accident, those type of videos will get transmitted to Orion Fleet Intelligence, and they're stored for up to a year. That also goes along with the driver coaching. If you've got, if you or one of your drivers is just out there just hammering the throttle and slamming on the brakes constantly, you might get a call about that. So just drive like normal, all right, and you'll be fine. Another question is about audio. So these things don't record any audio. Like if you're singing, your heart out or cussing up a storm because someone whipped in front of you and slammed on the brakes, no concerns there, no worries. No one's ever going to hear that, okay? So just don't worry about it. If you have questions about this or would like to get quotes or anything else, always feel free to leave comments below, but also check the description. You can schedule a call with us. Just email us. Our email address is down there and the link to get quotes as well. Appreciate you watching, and like and subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to check out the other videos we've got about Cover Whale, and stay tuned for more. Be safe. Thanks, guys.